Welcome to Whisking It All with your host, Angela Esposito, co-founder of wisk.ai, a food and beverage intelligence platform. Did you know that restaurant inventory management can help you streamline your operations? Well, effective management of inventory plays a crucial role in the success and profitability of a restaurant. Here are some ways it can benefit your business. Number 1, optimize stock levels. Inventory management allows you to determine the right quantities of ingredients, supplies, and products to have on hand. And by maintaining optimal stock levels, you can reduce waste, prevent overstocking or stockouts, and minimize storage costs. Number 2 is cost control. With proper inventory management, you can track the cost of ingredients and supplies accurately. This helps you identify any discrepancies or areas where costs can be reduced. By minimizing wastage, spoilage, and theft, you can control expenses and improve your bottom line. Number 3, efficient purchasing. By analyzing your inventory data, you can identify purchasing patterns, popular items, and seasonal fluctuations in demand. This information enables you to make informed purchase decisions, negotiate better deals, and ensure that you always have the necessary ingredients and supplies available. Number 4, streamlined operations. Inventory management systems can streamline various aspects of your restaurant operations. By automating processes like ordering, stock tracking, expiration date monitoring, you can really save time and reduce human error. And this allows your staff to focus on providing excellent customer service and improve overall efficiency. Number 5, menu planning. By analyzing inventory data, you can gain insights into which menu items are popular and profitable. This information helps you make informed decisions about menu planning, pricing, and creating specials. You can focus on promoting items that use ingredients nearing their expiration date. You can reduce waste while increasing profitability. Number 6, data-driven insights. Effective inventory management systems provide detailed reports and analytics, and these insights can really help you identify trends, understand customer preferences, and make data-driven decisions about inventory control, pricing, and menu adjustments. By leveraging this information, you can optimize your operations and enhance the overall dining experience. In summary, restaurant inventory management is a valuable tool for streamlining your operation. It enables you to maintain optimal stock levels, control costs, make efficient purchasing decisions, automate processes, plan menus effectively, and gain valuable insights from the data. By implementing robust inventory management practices, you can improve operational efficiency, reduce waste, and ultimately drive profitability in your restaurant. Feel free to check out wisk.ai for more resources and schedule a demo with one of our product specialists to see if it's a fit for you.